Subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button and make sure to click on the bell icon for new videos.
I know how difficult it is when you have Rakhi coming on and then you have all these super complex makeup tutorials. So here is one that's most probably easy, I really hope. So we're going to start off with a clean face. I'm going to use a BB cream. You can definitely try like any foundation or concealer. And here I am trying to be Instagram amazing by doing the squirts of foundation. So I'm trying to squirt a little bit of BB cream all over my face. And I don't know about you guys, but I'm obsessed with Instagram foundation tutorials. Anyways, I'm going to apply this on my neck as well because we don't want beauty only on our face. We want it everywhere. We are going to put some powder on because you know you are going to be running around tying rakhis and then eating food and tying rakhis some more. So we want our BB cream to stay in place. After that, we're going to use this Gimme Brow Eyebrow Gel. I know there's a lot of products for eyebrows, but I feel like an eyebrow gel is not that in your face. Plus, you can always retouch it. You can definitely use an eyebrow pencil, but I feel like eyebrow pencils cannot be retouched. So I used an eyebrow gel. Then I'm taking this beautiful brush by Mina and I'm applying it in an upward sort of a stroke. This essentially helps in making my face look a little longer than it usually is. Then I'm going to take the Huda Beauty palette. You can always take any other palette that you have. I'm first going to take a shade that's closest to my skin tone and apply it all over the lid. Then I'm going to take a darker shade, that is this one. It has a little bit of red in it and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid but only below the crease. After I'm done with that, I'm going to take a dark brown shade and I'm going to apply this on my crease and I'm just going to blend this out. This creates a very beautiful natural brown smoky eye. Then I'm going to take this highlighter shade and I'm going to apply it on my brow bone. And I'm going to apply a little bit around the inner corner of my eye because my eyes are super tiny. Going in with my rose gold eyelash color. I know this can be very uncomfortable for some people, but we need to look beautiful, okay? Beautiful for Rakhi. Then I'm taking this mascara by Gigi Hadid. Well, it's basically by Maybelline, but it's super creepy, but I really like it. It has these fibers on one side and on the other side it has the mascara. The fibers like elongate your eyelashes or something. I don't know. It's super magical, but it's cool. Then we're going to take the brown shade again and I'm going to try to apply it on my lower lash line. I try to not apply it fully like throughout the lower lash line. I only apply it towards the outer area and then whatever is left I try to just dab on very gently towards the inner eye area. Then I'm going to apply Sunny Leone's lip gloss in Baby Doll. Then I'm going to apply Bindi because sanskar. We're tired, but we need to look pretty all the time. So let's go to the touch-up. You can definitely remove the BB cream and apply a full fresh layer of foundation. But I went ahead with concealer because sometimes you gotta be lazy but still beautiful. I'm just touching up my blush again with the same blush that I used before. We're going to take this highlighter shade on a brush and then just apply it as a highlighter on your cheeks as well as your nose and your chin. You can obviously use an actual highlighter. I just wanted to show you guys if you just want to do it with your eyeshadow palette. Then we're taking this brown shade and we are just darkening the crease a little bit. You can definitely use a black shade, but the black shade in the Huda Beauty palette is like really bad, so I don't want to use it and I don't want to mess up my eye look. Then we're gonna do a cut crease. Yay! Taking some concealer on this small brush and do as I am doing. I cannot explain cut creases, I'm sorry, but we're doing a half cut crease, we're not doing like a full one. And then I'm taking this gold shade on my finger. I'm just dabbing it and swiping it all across my eye wherever I put the concealer, because we need this to pop. Once we're done with that, I'm going to take this black shade. Now I know it's bad, but we can still use it as like a wannabe eyeliner. So I'm taking it on a shader brush and I'm just trying to fake a sort of a look of a wing eye. But don't worry if this doesn't really turn out as well, because we're going to be blending this out. So we don't necessarily have to have a wing eye, just the effect of a wing eye, if that makes any sense. And then I'm applying this Nykaa lip shade in Gul. This is really beautiful. This is also a matte shade that's going to last you a long time. That's about it. I hope this video is useful. You can definitely change the colors depending on your outfit. And that's it. Bye. Have a happy Rakhi. I totally forgot.